Our Deep Sentinel has exceeded our expectations.
It's changed the way I live, kind of, and the way I interact with technology and camera systems.
Every time we look over at the camera, we can see someone is looking over us.
Now we're talking about less than $50 a month. For people to be watching our backs, for people to be protecting our homes.
It's the easiest, I think, way to install security cameras. My son, my 12-year-old son did it, and he did a great job and loved doing it.
But the person approaching sees that there's a red light and some activity going on, not just an idle camera that's sitting there.
And we've had a package prevented from being stolen.
Since we have them, I can't really think about not having them now.
We'll show you how to install your Deep Sentinel system in a few easy steps. First, we'll find a free port on your home's Wi-Fi router, where we'll connect the Ethernet cable from your router to the hub. Then, we'll plug in and connect the power supply to the hub. Now, we'll remove a camera and the battery underneath it. We'll insert that battery into the camera and secure the rear door. Then, we'll press the power button to power on the camera and pair it to the hub.
Camera connected.
Next, we'll mount the camera to our home using our single screw mount. Once installed, we slide the mount down, connect the camera, and orient it in nearly any position. Finally, we'll verify the system is up and running with a hello protocol.
Hello, Mr. Smith. This is Tawny with Deep Sentinel. We thank you for trusting us to watch your home. If you hear my voice, please give a thumbs up for 3 seconds, followed by a hello to verify the system.
Hello. Once you've received confirmation from one of our guards, you'll be up and running. Thank you for protecting your home with Deep Sentinel.
Sir, if you have no reason to be on this property, you need to leave immediately. Hello, sir. This is Deep Sentinel Security.
Stop what you're doing immediately.
Sir, this is Deep Sentinel Security. Your image is being recorded.
Hello, this is Deep Sentinel Security. Is there something I can help you with? Hello, sir. This is Deep Sentinel Security. Is there a reason why you were on this property?
This is Deep Sentinel